Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Masroor Education Insights. Most important world organization and their related information. Question number 1, which organ of the United Nations has ceased to be operational? The right answer is Trusteeship Council. Next question is the United Nations body which focuses on world population problem is. The right answer is UNFPA, United Nations Funds for Population Activities. The member countries of North American Free Trade Agreement are. The right answer is USA, Canada, and Mexico. Next question is WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, is headquartered in. The right answer is Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 5. United Nations adopted a Charter of Economic Rights in the year. Answer is 1974. Question number 6. Pakistan is not a member of. The right answer is G8. Next question is headquarters of Economic Cooperation Organization is at. The right answer is Tehran. Question number 8. World Bank headquarters are at. The right answer is Washington DC, USA. Question number 9. The countries that are part of North America Free Trade Agreement are. Answer is USA, Mexico, and Canada. Question number 10. World Food Program headquartered in. The right answer is Rome and Italy. Question number 11. Human Rights Watch is headquartered in. Answer is New York, USA. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a G7 country? Russia is the right answer. Next question is the dash of the following is not an agency of United Nations. Answer is ASEAN. Question number 14. Interpol headquarters are at. Answer is Lyon, France. Question number 14. CERN is an organization for nuclear research. Next question is which of the following is a military alliance? NATO is the right answer. Next question is International Court of Justice is headquartered in. The right answer is Hague, Netherlands. Question number 17. Worldwide Fund's logo symbolizes which animal? Panda is the right answer. Question number 18. Food and Agriculture Organization headquarters is at. Answer is Rome, Italy. Question number 19. Amnesty International works for. Answer is protection of human rights. Question number 20. G7 is a group of. The right answer is 7 most advanced economies. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button.